Hi, this is my glitch video of Pokitaru. I will show you several glitches on how to get up on the highest places, coolest places, and most odd places. Okay? And on underwater cavern if we're lucky. Okay, get up here, jump there, and go there. By the way, I'm at the end of the Pokitarus. And go up here, there, high jump, first you could get up. I will show you a very cool place. You could compete with your friends, say, can you glitch up here? And then you go like here. Yeah. Back here. Get as close as this house as possible when you jump, and get up here. Now I will show you a very mystical place, which is pretty hard to get up to. These two rocks. Try to get between here and try to fall into this. Okay, bad luck. Else I will fall into this underwater cave and you see a hole there. Okay, now I will show you a cool place. Go to the same spot as we were in the beginning. Okay, bugged. Wait. Just go back, jump up on the house and jump a lot. Stand up here, aim for this, I don't know what it is, this high jump, and just go for it. Voila! And you're up here. It's a very weird place. And we could... I don't know if you could do anything special here. These rocks are fall through. stand here. Okay, this is the end if you don't want to see another try of the underwater cavern, okay? You could stop watch now, because I maybe fail. It's a very hard place to get to. Okay, now I'm inside of a strange house. This is like some sort of underwater cavern. It's not that big as the other one, but it is a cave. Yeah, it's quite big. It's big enough. Alright, that's it. Goodbye, have it nice.